In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do crossfade in YouTube Music. We will do it using a simple browser extension, so stay with me and follow along step by step. First, open your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store, then press Enter. On the results page, you should see a result labeled Chrome Web Store from Google near the top. The page preview usually shows extensions and themes, which tells you are heading to the right place. Once you see the search results, click the correct Chrome Web Store link and then search for YouTube Playlist Crossfade. When the store opens, look for the search box in the top left area of the page. Click inside that search box, type YouTube Playlist Crossfade, and press Enter. After a moment, you will see a list of matching extensions appear in the main panel. From there, open the page for YouTube Playlist Crossfade and click Add to Chrome. Make sure you click the result whose name exactly matches YouTube Playlist Crossfade, then its details page will open with a description, screenshots, and user reviews. At the top right of that page, click the button labeled Add to Chrome. Your browser will show a small confirmation asking if you want to add the extension. Confirm that, and after a few seconds you should see a message saying the extension has been added. Often its icon appears in the extensions area near the top right of the browser. After that, log into your YouTube Music web player. In the same browser, go to music.youtube.com. If you are not signed in yet, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your Google account details. Once you are logged in, you should see the YouTube Music interface with Home, Explore, and Library along the left side and your playlists and mixes in the main area. Make sure some music is available in a playlist or mix so the crossfade has tracks to work with. At this point, use the extension icon to set your preferred fade duration, for example 3 to 5 seconds. Click the extensions area in the top right of the browser, then click the YouTube Playlist Crossfade icon. A small panel will open, usually showing a slider or a box where you can choose the number of seconds. Move the slider or type in your fade duration, like 3, 4, or 5 seconds. As soon as you set it, the extension applies the change in the background. Start playing a playlist or an auto-generated mix, and when one song nears the end, you will hear the next track fade in smoothly while the current one fades out. You do not need to press anything else. The extension handles every transition for you on the web player. You have now set up smooth crossfade in YouTube Music using a Chrome extension, so give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and feel free to subscribe for more simple music tips.